OMEN Gaming Hub, Creating Profiles. The Profiles feature in the OMEN Gaming Hub allows you to assign settings to different games. For example, you can lower your mouse DPI for your favorite shooter, boost your frame rates, or reduce lag by saving custom settings for every game. To access the profile settings, click the Profiles controller icon. The Profiles dialog box includes various settings. You can set the profile mode to auto to select a game in your library and automatically change the settings if profile settings for that game already exist. You can set the profile mode to manual to manually create the profile setting. You can toggle the cloud sync slider to on or off to sync your settings to the cloud. The Create New Profile setting allows you to create a new profile or edit an existing profile. You can create profiles for each game you play. To create a new activity profile for a game, click the Create New Profile icon. A list of the games you've played displays under My Games. Select the game you want to customize. The game now displays in the Profiles page. Type a name for the profile. You can upload a picture for your profile. To do so, click Upload a Picture and follow the on-screen prompts. The new profile picture for the game now displays on the Profiles page. Click Save to save the edited profile to the Profiles page. The new profile and name for your game now displays in Profiles. If you want to edit the profile, click the drop-down arrow next to the profile name. Now you can duplicate, edit, or delete the profile if you want to do so. If you want to rearrange your games now that you've added a new profile, click the alphabetical drop-down arrow. You can arrange your games alphabetically or according to the dates they were created. Click Done to return to the OMEN Gaming Hub homepage. The new profile now displays in the Default Profile tab on the OMEN Gaming Hub homepage.